Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today is Choti Holi or Holika Dahan. On this day, Holika, sister of Hiranyakashipu, took Dhruv Maharaj in burning fire to kill him. So I am making a picture on that topic. I am making picture on Holika Dahan. So let's start. First of all, I am drawing the wooden sticks. Okay, now I'll draw the fire. Okay, fire drawing is complete. Now I'm drawing the decorations here. Okay, now I'm drawing two color bowls here. It's done. Now I'll start coloring it. For this I'm using crayons. I'm doing brown crayon in sticks, wooden sticks. Okay, brown color in wooden sticks is done. Now I'm doing the same brown color in color bowls. Now I'm doing some black color shading in these wooden logs. So our black color shading is complete. Now I will color the flame by using red, yellow and orange crayon. First of all, I am using yellow crayon to color the flame. So yellow color in flame is complete. Now I am using red crayon to highlight it only on the borders. Like this. Made the borders with red crayon. So our red color highlighting is done. Now I am making some strokes with red crayon to add some more detail. Okay, now I am using orange crayon and making some strokes again. It's done. Now I am doing pink color in one coloring bowl. Dark pink color crayon. And dark green color crayon in other bowl. Okay, now color the decorations. You can use different colors of your choice to color the decoration. Orange. Now red. Now dark pink. Now the yellow color. Now blue color. And purple color here. So friends, our holika dahan sheet is ready. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.